AlertBoot Managed Disk Encryption offers a new and extremely effective way of deploying endpoint security. This video demonstrates a typical AlertBoot software installation. Users created in the console receive a personalized and unique email. Clicking on the link in the email brings the user to the AlertBoot installation page. Here, they'll have to allow a browser plugin in order to proceed. AlertBoot installation can be run from either Internet Explorer or Firefox web browsers. Once the plugin is installed, the end user must agree to the software license agreement in order to proceed with the AlertBoot installation. Checking the box and clicking the Install button starts the AlertBoot process. Next, the end user must provide answers to security questions. These are security questions chosen by you for your end users, and they'll be used for any challenge or recovery actions. When would an end user need a recovery? Well, maybe they simply forget their password and need to reset it. Or maybe they had the caps lock on and locked themselves out by accident. All recoveries can be done online or by calling AlertBoot support directly. At this point, the AlertBoot Smart Installer now proceeds to download and prepare all necessary components for its installation. Our Smart Installer is a self-contained and self-managed installation process. Using this Smart Installer, AlertBoot eliminates the need for an IT professional or staff member to deploy and install AlertBoot encryption in person. Furthermore, it helps streamline the installation process and essentially simplifies the experience for the end user in order to eliminate mistakes, help mitigate any potential errors, and remove any tech obstacle for laptop or machine compliance for your company. AlertBoot is designed to be so easy to install that even your least technically savvy employee will be able to do it. After all components are downloaded and ready, AlertBoot checks the machine settings to make sure that it is a member of the workgroup or domain specified in Step 1 of our Quick Start setup. Once this check is done, your machine will reset. This is the first of 2 reboots needed in order to complete the AlertBoot installation. Once Windows reboots and loads its settings, AlertBoot will continue its installation process. The browser window will display the AlertBoot installation page again for you. Now, AlertBoot will scan your drives for errors using CheckDisk. With full disk encryption, each and every disk sector is absolutely vital. So using CheckDisk ensures that AlertBoot provides a clean and completely problem-free installation. CheckDisk will verify all files, all indices, all sectors, and all security descriptors. Once completed, the summary log records and uploads the event for your reporting, and installation will move forward. With the drive now verified as error-free, the AlertBoot client software is now installed. You will be prompted to reboot just one more time. This reboot is necessary in order to make some additional boot changes on the machine. Here, during this reboot, you'll see AlertBoot establish and initiate the Safeguard Enterprise boot protection on the end user's machine. AlertBoot will adopt the end user's Windows logon for its own. Its default setting is a single sign-on, which means that an end user will only need to log on once to the machine. If AlertBoot is managing the password policy for end users, the existing Windows password will then be checked. If it doesn't conform to the policy established, then the end user will be prompted to change it. In this particular case here, I've never set a password on this machine, so AlertBoot prompts me to make one. This is a great way to remotely force password policies on end users outside of the control of your normal Active Directory or domains. Finally, upon reboot, the end user sees that the installation has successfully completed. And if they feel like sharing the good news on Facebook, they're given the opportunity to post it to their profile. That's all there is to it. As you can see, AlertBoot Full Disk Encryption manages the entire installation process, so your people don't have to. And with our administrator reporting features, you'll have a real-time security snapshot of all machines in the field for compliance purposes. Please visit us at www.alertboot.com for more information or to sign up for AlertBoot today.